Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to create Zoom account. Firstly, you need to open your Zoom app. Now we are going to create an account, so tap on sign up. Now you need to enter your birth year. After that, tap on continue. For the creation of Zoom account, you got a bunch of options. You can sign up with email address, Google, Apple, Facebook or with SSO. So let's go with email address. After that, tap on continue. Now we will be sent a code in our email. Let's check our email. Here you can see Zoom has sent a verification code. After that, you need to enter your first name, last name and set a password. After that, tap on create account. If you want to save your password, then tap on save, otherwise tap on not now. If you want to get notified, then tap on enable notification, otherwise tap on not now. Here I am tapping on Google. You can choose on the options to access Zoom meeting by connecting to your external calendar and contact or your device calendar. Tap on connect, otherwise tap on not now. Here you can enable your fingerprint ID, otherwise deny it. Here you can personalize your profile. You can upload images and display name and tap on continue. After that, tap on get started. And this is how you create Zoom account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.